Good morning, guys. We are back on Boris's 56 T-Bird. It's like a 57?
Yeah, 57. Yeah,
Okay.
7.
6, 7. Anyways, so sorry, 57 T-Bird. So we are gonna make sure we can get our little Zerk fittings in, so we can get everything greased up. Make sure cotter pins in nice and tight, and grease everything, and we can move on to the back end and go from there. So I thought I'd do a quick little video intro. Morning.
It's 11:47.
Well, close enough.
It's the day after Thanksgiving.
Yeah, I was
I
just.
really don't care.
I mean, usually it's later than this one. It's the day after Christmas.
Oh my God.
Remember last year?
Yeah.
Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna get all this all sweetened up, tightened, and greased up. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys. Got that one full. Got cotter pins. Everything's nice and tight. I had to change that one out. Gotta change that one next, so I'm gonna fill that one up. We can see how flat that is compared to how full that one is. So we'll get this one and this one, move it over, change that fitting out to that one, and then we'll get that one filled and be good to go. All right, guys. Got them all lubed up, got them changed out. Oops. Wipe off the excess. And yeah, that's the front stern's gonna be a happy camper now. Now we're gonna go check on the pinion and see what was going on with that, see if we need a different size seal. And yeah, keep on trucking along here. Later.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I have the new one-wire alternator in down there, and it is completely hooked up. A little time consuming, but I have our, I didn't grab the light. I have our hot running from the back of the alternator up to here. Don't worry, I will make sure this is safe and away from control arms. I have your new starter cable and not cracked. Your other one was like showing bare wire. If I can, I don't remember where I put it, but if I find it, I'll show you. Our new ground. It's super easy, just runs from the ground post right to the bolt because it's just a ground. And then our belt, because the pulley size is different, we have to have a different size belt, and I don't have that belt in the hand, so I have to get that in. And then after that, I can just put it all back together, and hopefully your generator light will go away and we'll be charging the battery. And then after that, we can, actually I do have the belt off your power steering pump, so I can go and look at that, see if there's anything wonky going on with it. But yeah, that's about it.